So guys, I'm blanching the oysters. After brushing the shells, I put them on a boiled water. Then it's heat for a while and we will remove. Just blanching. When it's about to boil, we have to remove at once. We're blanching the oysters. When the water starts to boil, you have to turn off the fire and remove the oysters. Here's our blanched oysters, and we will dip it with Knorr liquid seasoning chili. It's yummy. Let's have some, guys. Oysters. Thank you for watching. Before I forget, I brush the shells before putting in a boiled water. Just blanch, guys, not boiled too much. Thank you for watching again, guys. Happy eating. We have no more dip sauce. Thank you again. Bye-bye.